Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Honor Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon and tap on it to open the app. In the application you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon. Oh my bad. Tap on the device icon and here you should see your Honor Watch 4 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Now find the more options icon in the top right corner. Tap on the icon, the menu will pop up. Here tap on delete device and then tap on delete. Watch will disappear from the list of devices from the device page and we can close the app. Now we can open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you will see Honor Watch 4 on the list. You might even see two of them. First, let's tap on the info icon next to the first one. Tap on forget this device and forget device. And do the same for the second one. So info icon, forget device and forget device. And once it's gone from the list of my devices, you can close the settings. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this device from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.